because your brain deserves better lullabies. Hello Kickstarter! I'm David and I have spent my entire career in product development, sales and marketing. Being based here in Bentonville, Arkansas, the home of the largest company in the world, Walmart of course, I have had the opportunity to witness some of the most innovative ideas come to life and enter retail markets. This experience, coupled with my constant struggle to sleep well years ago, led me to want to develop a product that truly helped others like me. We're thrilled to introduce a sleep innovation that's part science, part sound, and all about better rest. These are the world's first nighttime binaural beats speaker solution, designed to help you wake up feeling actually refreshed. Imagine that. So, what are binaural beats? Great question. Binaural beats aren't a playlist or music genre. They're an auditory illusion your brain creates when it hears two slightly different frequencies, one in each ear. That difference becomes a third tone called a binaural beat, and this magical mental remix helps shift your brain into more restful states. For example, left ear hears 300 Hz, right ear hears 310 Hz. Brain says, cool, let's vibe at 10 Hz, and that's the binaural beat. Science has shown that specific frequencies like 2 through 8 Hz can help promote deep sleep, reduce anxiety, and even make waking up a little less painful. It's like hacking your brain gently. Research shows that binaural beats can increase deep stage 3 restorative sleep, reduce anxiety before bed, improve sleep quality and alertness the next morning. One study even showed that athletes, soccer players, who used binaural beats slept better and woke up more easily. If it works for them, it can work for you too. What makes our sleep pods different, you ask? This isn't just another white noise machine. Our sleep pods adapt in real time based on how you're sleeping. Here's how. Our sound system is designed for comfort and consistent binaural delivery outside of the ears, meaning no bulky headphones or tangled wires. It monitors your sleep cycles and adjusts frequencies as needed to optimize every phase of rest. Whether you're a light sleeper, night owl, or stressed out parent, the system adjusts to you. Think of it as having a sleep coach, sound engineer, and brainwave whisperer working together quietly while you snooze. We've built the prototype, we've done the testing, now we need your help to bring this breakthrough tech to bedrooms everywhere. Your support will fund final product engineering, manufacturing, and fulfillment, app development, and smart tracking features. Together, we can redefine what it means to wake up being the best you can be. In fact, sleep better, live better is not only our motto, but also our vision. We believe waking up refreshed leads to better days, better health, and better lives. If you've ever stared at the ceiling at 3 a.m. wondering why your brain won't shut up, this product is for you. So back us today and let's make restless nights a thing of the past.